How to use moderation tools. Paano gumamit ng mga tools sa pag-moderate. Hello mga ka-JuSt. Sa video ito ay ating matutunghayan kung ano-anong gamit ng moderation tools. So wag na nating patagalin pa at atin ang simulan. A moderator is someone create trust to help build positive, safe channel experience for their community. A moderator helps review and manage comments people leave on a video or messages participants send during a stream live chat. Using moderation tools on your phone or tablet, tap a message and select an action from the options that appear. On your computer, hover your mouse over a message, then click menu. To select an action or hold down the Ctrl plus Alt keys to pause chat. Then hover over a message and select from the buttons that appear. What you can moderate. Live chat. Everyone who participates in a live chat can report or block another person. Moderators can. Delete messages. Deleting is a way from you to remove inappropriate or potentially abusive or offensive content. When you delete a message, it's permanently removed from the live chat and its replay. Put participant in timeout. Timeouts allow you to temporarily prevent someone from sending messages in live chat. When you put someone in timeout, they won't be able to send messages for 5 minutes. Hide people from channel. Hiding is often reserved for participants who ignore guidelines and warnings and repeatedly send inappropriate messages. When you hide someone from a channel, their chat messages and comments will no longer be visible to other viewers. YouTube doesn't notify the person that you've hidden them. Tips. Moderator can learn about a live chat participant by going directly to the channel. On a computer, hover over a message, click more and then go to channel. On mobile, tap message and then go to channel. Review potentially inappropriate messages. Creator might choose to have YouTube system hold potentially inappropriate chat messages for review. Moderators can choose to show or hide each message. Comments. Generally, anyone can leave a comments on a video. Moderators can remove comments. This allows you to remove inappropriate or potentially abusive or offensive content. When you remove a comment, it will appear in the creator's Help or Review tab, where they can replace, report, or permanently delete it. Who can be a moderator? Moderators are assigned by the channel owners. You can still add your own comments, participate in live chat, and enjoy YouTube as viewer. How long will I be a moderator? Once you've added as a moderator, you remain a moderator for the channel until the creator removes you. What videos and live stream can I moderate? You're not just a moderator for a specific video or during the current live stream. You can help moderate the comments for all videos and past and future live chats. What do the different username icons and colors mean? In live chat, icons and colors are used to visually identify certain participants. More than one icon can appear next to someone's username at a time. The following icons appears to someone's username at a time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video.